Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Planet for Tech. I hope you all are doing great and learning lots by watching all the continuous episode of this series Laravel Beginner to Master. So till now we have completed 9 episodes of this series and today in the 10th episode I am going to describe you DB backup using the custom artisan commands. So in this episode guys I am going to describe you how we can create custom artisan command and I will give you one use case to use that custom artisan command. So we can create a DB backup tool. So with the help of that, we can create the DB backup in our Laravel projects. So this is what we are going to see in this episode. So let's start practically. So guys, you can see here, I have one demo installation of this Laravel project. So in the command prompt, I'm showing you. So this is the demo Laravel project I have installed in the C directory. So going to start it, PHP Artisan. So now you can see it is started. Let me open it. So it is just newly installed Laravel application, fresh application you can say. So in this application, I am going to show you the how we can create the custom artisan command, and with the help of that, we can download the existing database file. So for that, we need to use one artisan command. So that artisan command is nothing but you can say. Let me show you here. So let me stop it first. So I'm going to create one artisan command here. So that will be what? PHP artisan make command, and after that you have to give the name of the command. So I'm going to give it the database backup. So any name you can give whatever you want. So this way you can see it has created one class file like database backup.php under the directory command folder. So going to show you that. Now you can see under this application, under the app, you will find one console, and in that there is a command directory, and in that command directory you can see it is showing you database backup file. So in this file only we are going to write the command to download the database file. So let me give it. So here as I have already described you in the previous episodes about how to use the artisan command. So here you can see we have the signature, we have description, and we have handle. So in the signature we are going to pass the name, how we are going to use this artisan command, and in the description we can describe the purpose of this command, and in the handle we are going to write main business logic that is going to be executed once the command is run. So for simplicity, let me make this name as database, and here instead of name I am going to give it backup. So and the command description, this is used to create DB backup. Like this, whatever description you want you can give. It is not any mandatory line of set. So whatever you want you can give it. The next one is handle. So for now I'm going to write here echo, not echo. There is a one specific this info. So this is available in the command line function. Database create database backup creation started. So let me show you this command is working or not. So as usual we have to write PHP artisan. Then after we have to give the name of the command. So here we have mentioned like the name of the command is database colon backup. So database colon backup here we have to give. So after this it is showing you the message database backup started, but really it is not yet started. So I'm going to show you the that main business logic how we can start this code here. So guys, for the purpose of saving time in this video to making it the short video, so I have already written the code and I'm going to describe you those line of code here. So let me paste it here. So this is the line of that particular code you can see here. So the first line is just to display the information like this is started, and in the next line we have to give the database backup file name whatever we want. So simply I am making it db backup file like this, and appending the time just to make this file as a new file every time. And this is the backup path, like where we want this backup. So obviously here I'm going to use the helper function of this Laravel. So this is the storage path. It gives us the path of the storage directory. So as you all know, like there is a one storage directory in every Laravel project, you can see here. So this is the storage directory. It is basically supposed to keep all these files there in the self storage. So what it is going to do, so firstly it will check the storage path. Then after it, under the app folder, it will look for the backup folder. Backup folder is there or not. So we can see here. So this is the app folder, but you can see there is no backup folder. So that is the purpose we have used here the mkdir command. So if the backup folder is not there, so it will create the backup folder as well. And after this, in the same path, it will create this particular file, that is what db underscore backup and the time.sql file. So this file will get created there itself. So once this file is created, so we have written some mysql dump command here you can see. So I am going to describe you its part of this command. So this mysql dump command we use to dump the database from MySQL. It means we are going to take a backup, you can say, or we are going to export the database as well. So what options we have to pass? The command is the MySQL dump. Then after we have to pass the you can say hyphen user. So here we have to pass the username. So we all know like the username is coming from env file. So let me show you that env file here itself. So we all know like there is a one .env file which is required in the Laravel project. So in this you can see here, so this env file is having all the database related information. So from here only we are reading the database name, database user and database port and the host. These all information we are reading from here itself, and we are passing it here like the env helper function is there. So env database user, and the same way we have given this password, you can see one moment, let me scroll it. Yes, you can see password we are reading here, and after that host we are reading, and the you can see in the same way you can see we have passed the database name as well. After that we are just passing the output of this console command to the backup path. Means this is the file which is going to store the output of this particular command. Means after the export, all those export query going to be saved in that particular file. So this way guys it will work here like this. And after that return variable, if you want to give, you can give it, otherwise output is null. So everything you can see here I have mentioned. So this exe command, so this execute command is used just to perform the command line just to execute the command line commands. So MySQL dump is the command line tool command for this MySQL database. So we are going to execute this, that is why we are calling execute command here. Now we have to pass the command and the output and the return variable. These all we can pass. And after this, if you want for make it useful, we can give the message like database backup created successfully like this. So this way guys we can have, and for new line we can have this new line. So we want one line, that is why we don't need to pass the number of line here. Now let me show you how this works there. So the same command php artisan and database backup. So guys you can see here it is the MySQL dump PHP warning. So this just you have to ignore it because this is not that much important part. So you can see here the database backup file is created successfully. Now I have to show you that file is created or not. Let me show you that one. So we are going to check it there in the backup storage backup folder. You can see storage backup. So this is the storage under the app. we have backup folder, and in the backup you can see there is a one database SQL file. So let me open it. So you can see here this is the SQL file which is automatically created, you can see. So this is having all the query which are we are expecting after the database export. We can see we have the DDL commands, and we have the DML commands, means insert, delete, update. All commands you will find here, all query you will find here, because it is just exporting the existing database here. So this way guys, you can make this database backup file with the help of the custom PHP command, PHP artisan command. So in this tutorial, in this episode, we have just gone through the how to create the custom artisan command. So we need to pass the PHP artisan make command there, and we can create it. And after that, we need just set of code just to download the SQL file to export this. So this set of code I will share in the notes itself. So I will attach that notes in the description of this video. So from there you can download it and you can use it. So for this episode, this much guys, and in the next episode I am going to bring the new topics and the new concepts. So till that time, if you are new to this channel, so you can subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon just to get the latest notification on the upcoming videos. So till now, thank you guys. Do practice, keep practice, and become beginner to master with us. That is the series, the Laravel beginner to master. Thank you guys. Thank you.